What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Bitcoin holding on, trying to get to 60,000. We're going to take a look at the charts. 59,320 is where it is currently at the making on this video. I'll let you know my feelings of it short term. Probably boring because that's what I expect Bitcoin to be for a little bit longer. And then I'm going to share some interesting Miggles news. Mr. Miggles, if you don't know about it, it's a meme coin on the Base network, and I think this one is one that is going to be primed to move very hard, so you should definitely stay for that. And so without further ado, this video will probably be short. Let's do this. In contrast to yesterday's video, I just had a lot to say. Bitcoin, sideways, more of this, okay, sideways. Let's see what happens. I like this because it basically means eventually when this sideways stops, and it will, it's going to move relatively hard. Usually something along these lines, up or down, and my bias still is towards the downside of the Dow Jones. I mean the DXY just falling off a cliff, guys. All right, so it's just, as far as I'm concerned, a matter of time, because usually, remember, there is a negative correlation between the USD and risk assets like Bitcoin including it. Usually when USD drops, Bitcoin starts moving up. So honestly, it really, to me, is just a matter of time. Get your buys in. What would I be looking at? Miggles, these are my two kind of short-term projections, basically. Either of these would not surprise me, okay? That it does something along those lines. I don't think it start moving parabolically up now, although you never know. But Miggles, check this out. We are thrilled to share a partnership with the top-tier industry-leading market maker. It has just been finalized. This will open a lot of doors for future partners, KOLs, and all T1 sexes which we are already in contact with. Not to mention, it will bring heavy liquidity support for us. Miggles is going to run hard, okay? The official announcement by both parties will be announced when the time is right. Both parties are holding on to it for strategic reasons, so we don't know who the market maker is yet. Thank you so much for the amazing team and top whales who pooled the funds to make this happen. It's a huge step for Miggles and will help us heavily on taking everything to the next level. Yes, that's what we want. Let's go Miggles. Let's go Miggles. That is very bullish news, guys. Look at the charts. Let's take this off now. All right, but something along those lines wouldn't surprise me, and that's what I think more or less would happen. We could just, right, this would be resistance right here where we're currently at 0.041 cents, and we could come back down, test 3 cents, maybe test 2 cents, maybe even drop below it, as low as maybe a 0.015 or as low as 0.008. It wouldn't really surprise me. I don't know now if market makers are involved, how they're gonna want to play it. They play games. It's a mixed bag, but generally it is good. It is a necessary step for a crypto like Miggles or any crypto to take it to Shiba Inu levels, to take it to Doge levels, okay? Dogwood Hat, Pepe, and I think that's the levels that Mr. Miggles is going to achieve. In my opinion, could be completely wrong. There are still other plays out there that could do it, but it's in the Base network, and I think it's going to be one of the clear winners. It's a clean chart, as I mentioned yesterday. The volume is at like 4.6 million volume, 41 million market cap. That market cap is rising. Let's see. Hopefully it drops a little bit. But still not bad if you don't have any exposure and you're looking for a meme to ride with. I would ride with this, fully diluted. Obviously, memes have great tokenomics because they don't have any utility. So what's the point of keeping anything to come out? Everything has to already come out. That's why they're always, you don't worry about memes and the dilution, usually the tokenomics, because it's always usually fully diluted already. Just an FYI, if you didn't know. Yeah, damn, Miggles wants to send, but I don't know. I think maybe it just might kind of drop down a little bit. Boom, wouldn't surprise me. I don't know if we come to the top of this triangle yet. Let's see. I think that's it. Back to Bitcoin. It's boring, guys, boring, and I think it might just bore us along for a little while longer. Maybe the rest of August and into September, waiting for that rate cut. All right, I think that's what it is. That's how I see it. Let's take a look at what else. Everything else honestly looks fine. We've seen all that. Let's Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance looks like it is also consolidating, going sideways. Let's look at others because I like my altcoins. And right now we are just trying to knock at this door of 200 billion. Okay. This is the crypto market cap, excluding the top 10. So essentially lower cap altcoins. And so we want to break this 200 billion at some point. If we continue to do this and we don't break, I could see us dropping a little bit lower. I don't know if we come back all the way down here to 169, but you just never know. It's always a good idea to have some capital out there. Yeah, it's always a good idea. Let's see soon. I've been talking about soon lately. Dropping down, okay, from this pump of 0.006 to now 0.0049. Let's see if it. Hopefully, it doesn't give all of it back. I would like to see it do something of what it is doing currently, or seem to be doing. Pump, stair step down, about halfway down, and then kind of a next pump. So stair step down, halfway down. Hopefully some sideways, and then hopefully the next pump. Hopefully this is in fact the bottom, and hopefully we do start seeing the other side of this channel, which has basically been in since its inception for the most part, right? Right around here, lost it. Boom, haven't lost it. Stayed well within it, and now maybe we are finally on the upside again. That would be ideal. Soonverse, great tokenomics, and another one that I haven't talked about recently that is starting to move. Creo Engine, look at that. Okay, Creo Engine. This is to me is confirmation that it has broken out of this first time in a long time. Creo Engine. Okay, I've been talking to the guys in Telegram, just mentioning these things. So now I'm mentioning it to you guys because I mentioned that stuff to them first. You guys don't know about the Telegram. That's in Spanish. Sorry, I have a Spanish community too. Okay, so Creo Engine, 0.025. Right, 0.025. Looking pretty cool. Looking pretty good. Okay, and tokenomics real quickly because I did find out about tokenomics today. For Creo, look at the numbers if you don't know about this. Again, this is one in the gaming sector, which I think gaming sector will have renaissance at this coming parabolic part of the bull run. Right, Creo Engine, as you can see in the red, 2 cents. It's been a lot higher. It's been 18 cents according to this, but right here, yeah, around 20 cents on XC. Right, currently at 2 cents right now. Looks like it is breaking out. It's a gaming play, right? You can buy it on Pancake, Uniswap, Gate, Mexi, BitGet. If you don't know about Creo Engine, you should. So essentially, it's similar to Soon, where they can't tell right here. Similar to Soon, similar to Naka, okay, where they have a bunch of different games. Okay, that's what they offer. They offer a bunch of different games in their platform, right? So a lot of bites at the apple. Tokenomics, what you need to know is in 2025, there'll be around 600 million Creo Engine. So the tokenomics are good. Now you know what the dilution is, 600 million. Still pretty good, fully diluted at 20 million. This morning it was at 18 million. So hey, somebody's buying. Somebody's buying. So tokenomics are good. Again, 600 million is what we should count on if you're looking to if you're looking to figure out how much you're going to make. And looking to sell in 2025, which I would advise. Right, so I think that's when the blow off top will be in 2025. Creo Engine's pumping hard. I'd wait for a pullback. Hopefully, if you knew about this project, you did buy right around here. I didn't mention that it was moving to you guys. Sorry. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Let's see. It'll pull back, right? It'll pull back. Who knows where, right? Maybe a little lower. Give it a couple of days to see what happens. Let the dust settle on this pump, and see, and then I would start buying because this is probably the local floor. Looking like the makings of an inverse head and shoulders, but shoulder, head, need shoulder here. Still there's time, guys. All right. That's it, guys. I think that's where we're done for today. Bitcoin boring, sideways, rejection. But to be expected, it has happened. Eventually, we will make it to the other side. I don't envision us dropping too much unless there's a black swan. I'll keep you guys posted, man. I do this every day, all day. This is what I do. I love crypto. I love looking at it. I love analyzing it. I love trying to find low cap gems and investing in them. This is just, I don't know. I'm sharing it with you guys. All right, guys, if you can, please leave a comment. Trying to grow this channel. All that stuff helps. With all that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.